Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel where we turn your design skills up a notch. Today, I'm sharing some must-know Canva hacks to help you design faster and smarter. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned designer, these tips will save you time and make your work more efficient. Let's dive in. Use keyboard shortcuts for speed. First up, let's talk about keyboard shortcuts. They're small but powerful time savers. For example, press C to create a circle, L for a line, and T to add text. These shortcuts help you avoid constantly reaching for your mouse, speeding up your design process. Leverage Canva's grids and frames. Next, take advantage of Canva's grids and frames to keep your designs organized and visually appealing. Grids are perfect for creating balanced layouts, and frames let you easily insert images or videos. Just drag and drop your content into these tools, and Canva will do the rest. Customize templates to fit your brand. Another great hack is customizing Canva's templates. Don't waste time starting from scratch. Find a template that fits your style, then tweak the colors, fonts, and images to match your brand. This way, you get a polished design quickly without sacrificing creativity. Create and reuse design elements. Save time by creating reusable design elements like logos, headers, or icons. Once you've made them, store these elements in a dedicated folder or your brand kit in Canva. The next time you need them, just drag and drop them into your design. No need to recreate the wheel. Batch your design tasks. Finally, batch your design tasks. If you need to create multiple designs, like social media posts, do them all in one session. This keeps you in the creative zone and makes your workflow much more efficient. And there you have it, Genius Junkies. Quick and easy Canva hacks to make your design process faster and more efficient. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more design hacks. And let me know in the comments which tip you're going to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.